What is up everyone, my name is Usman Yusuf. In this video tutorial I will be doing a short review of this Canon remote control. This is like very tiny little remote control. This is basically designed to do the portraits of yourself, or maybe you want to make a group photo and you want to be a part of that group photo. What you will need to do is that you will be going to use this remote control by just clicking on this little button right here and pointing this towards your camera. And what this will do is, by using this, you will be able to take your group photo or your solo photo. Now I will be going to show you that how you can set up this remote control with your Canon camera, right? So let me just grab my camera and let's see that how this works. Alright, so here I have my Canon 60D. Right, so this basically pretty much works with the most of the Canon cameras. I was not expecting that this will work with me, but when I found that I have this infrared right here in front of my camera, if you can see, because this remote control is infrared based, right? So what you will need to do is you will have to push this button right in front of this infrared of your camera, and then it will take the photo. Okay, so let me just power on my camera. And it was so hard for me to find the settings of this remote control. Find out a lot of videos out there, but no one have actually explained that how this works. So anyway, what you need to do is that you have to go to your menu. I have already set up that to the timer. So there are different options here. We have single shooting, then we have high speed continuous, then we have low speed continuous, and then the last two options are the one that are going to work with this remote control. Okay, so we have 10-second timer remote control over here, and then we have 2-second timer. But as you can see on the back of this remote control, we have only one option, and that is 2-second timer. That means that if you want to take the photo, you have only 2 seconds to set up for yourself and in front of camera. If you are alone at home or in your studio and you want to take your own photo, you have only time frame of 2 seconds. Okay, so what you need to do is you have to put this on this switch to the 2-second. Okay, and then you have to make sure that your settings over here are on the 2 seconds as well, right? Then what it will do is that you can take the photo from a far distance by pointing your remote control in front of the infrared of your camera. Like you can see, I have put my settings of the camera on 2 seconds, and I have also set my remote control settings on 2 seconds, right? And then when I hit this button, this will send a signal to the camera and it will take the photo. And now let me just show you that if I set this up to instant, the switch to the instant, what it will do is it will take the photo right away. As you can see that I set up to the instant one, and when I take the photo, it will take the photo right away. Okay, so this is all about it. Just make sure that you have set your camera to the right options. Let me just go through again. This is the menu. you can find this Q option, and in this Q option you have this option. Okay, so from this option you have to select the last option, and after that your camera is ready to go for the self-portrait. So this is all about today's video. If you have any questions, just feel free to let me know in the comment section, and I will be there to help you guys with the usage of this gadget. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and if anything that I can help you with, please let me know, and take great photos. Have a great day.